like to see this beautiful look, keep on watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to do my eyebrows, but I'm using this mirror that I got from my best friend. It got a lip mirror because it reminds me of my grandma. I miss her so much, especially around this Christmas season. So first I'm doing my eyebrows, and I'm using this Dollar Tree pencil, this dark brown Dollar Tree pencil. Now I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And I'm just going to clean under my brows with this instead of above my eyebrow. Now I'm using Wet n Wild, this foundation I got from Walmart. I think it was $5, and I'm going to put it above my eyebrows. Now I'm buffing out this concealer. I got this from the Dollar Tree, but I ended up washing it and it turned blue. It was white, y'all. Now I'm using this hydrating primer that I got from my Ipsy box, and I'm putting it all over my face. Now I'm putting this concealer all over my eyes, and then I'm going to buff it out. This will make the eyeshadow pop when you put it on. Now I'm using this fair brush to blend out my concealer. Now I'm using this Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the highlight color, but it's all messed up so I can't really show you real good. I'm going to put it on my eyebrow, underneath my eyebrow bone. Now I'm using this dark brown color for my crease, and I'm going to blend it. Now I got a clean brush and I'm just going to blend in the two eyeshadows. Now it's time to cut my crease. I'm using the same thing, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm using Nubia 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm using this green color. I know it's all mashed up, that's why I'm looking like that. And I'm going to put it in the front of my crease. Now I'm using NYX Beauty School Dropout, and I'm going to use this white color in the middle of my crease. We're doing Christmas colors. And I'm patting it on there. Now I'm going to use this Saharan palette, and I'm going to use the red and put it in the end of my crease. So it's going to be green, white, and red. Now it's time to add glitter. Well, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.